Hey, we picked up this Bluetooth speaker. Looks like a cassette tape, but it's actually a Bluetooth speaker. Stay with us. We'll show you how to use it. Here we are, the cassette Bluetooth speaker. It looks like a cassette, doesn't it? When you used to play music on. Let's open this little guy up and get him out of there. Here is your cassette. Opens just like a cassette box. There's your cassette. There's all the controls right there, if you can see them. There's your power button. There's your charging port. There's a 3.5 plug-in if you want to plug in to an older phone or something that doesn't have Bluetooth. Plus volume, minus volume, all right? Set him right here. Here's the charging and all that. Let's see what we got here. There's your charging cable. Whip her out of the way. Here's your instruction sheet. It's not a manual, it's a little sheet. Tells you how to do it. Some of it's in foreign language and stuff, but one side's English. All right. Let's go charge this little guy, and we'll get it working and show you how it does. All right, let's charge this little guy. It comes out of the box just like a cassette tape does, okay? Right there. Set that aside. USB cable, USB-C. Right here on top is the plug right there. Plug that in. Plugs into your USB port. I guess you could probably use the charger for your cell phone if you wanted to. See the red light? It says it takes approximately 2 hours if it's completely discharged, and that red light will go off when it's done. As you can see, the red light is off. Unplug it, plug it here, put it back in the case till we're ready to use it. We're ready to play some music on it. Okay, we got it all going now. Got it charged up. Let's turn on the power for a couple seconds and listen to it.
Power on.
Power on. Bluetooth. Now we're going to go over here to our phone and open our Bluetooth up here. There. Connections. Bluetooth. Right there, Victor VAS 3006. All right. Pairing. Pair. Hear it, Bluetooth connected. All right, so it's ready to play. So I think what we're going to do, go over here. I got a song or two on here that's not into copyright, so let's go find it. Right there, good one. Let's do volume up. Maximum volume. Well, can you hear it? See if I got any more on that. No, my phone's wide open too. That's all the volume you're going to get right there. You can turn it down. Oh, sorry, I hit the plus. Hit the minus. Here, going down, up. Maximum volume. A little disappointing. That's as much volume as you can get on it right there. That's kind of disappointing. This is a nice little feature. I like that little cassette, but that's it for the volume. Very disappointing. We'll stop it. Well, I don't know what we can do about the volume on it, but we'll mess around with it and see if we can get it going any better. Now it says it has a radio in here. It says push the power button twice. That didn't work. Let's see what the instructions say. That's what it said, I thought. FM radio. Press on button. Activate FM radio. Just press it once.
FM radio.
Hear that? FM radio. Scan it. It says press twice. See the little... There's one. Station. Another station. Alright, it's done, I think. It says press it again, it goes back to the Bluetooth speaker. See what we hear that? Bluetooth connected. It's just, there was more volume on the radio than there was the speaker with my phone and all, and the phone's wide open, so. Well, there's your radio on it. Now I have a second one. I bought two of them, so I thought we could pair them together, but I'm not real happy with the sound on them. So pair them together, turn the speaker on, hold it down for a few seconds, it'll come on. Power on. Bluetooth. Now it says press the power button twice. Maximum volume. Well, it looks like we need to go back over here. Connect our speaker again to Bluetooth. Right there. Connecting. Could not connect. Now the power is off on this one.
Power on.
Power's on. Bluetooth. Press this one twice.
Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth connected.
Okay, it says
Bluetooth connected.
it says they're connected. The two blue buttons are solid now. They're no longer flashing. So let's go see if we can play some music on it. What do you say? There's the first speaker. Second speaker. Hear it? Maximum volume.
Maximum volume.
Well, you can hear them both. They're just not very loud. There's the first one. We actually showed you the first one out. Put that over here. Here's the second one. Yeah. So we got them both playing now. All right. Well, that's how you do it. Not real happy with the sound. Neither one of them had much sound to them. So I can't recommend you buy these because there's not hardly any sound. I like loud music, and that's just barely hearable. So, all right. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. That's city, state. If you're not in the U.S., then city, country. Okay, let's turn it off. Hold down the power button a few seconds. That one's off. Put it back in the box. The first one, power looks like it's off already. I think, let's see if it comes back on.
Power on.
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
Let's just turn it back off. See, it's flashing. It's off now. Put it back in the box. Very disappointed in these. Pretty good little idea, and it's rather economical, looks like, but it just doesn't have any volume to it. So Y'all go check out my other speakers. We got a lot of them up there under the playlist called Speakers. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you have any of these? Do yours work any better? Leave me a comment. Let me know, okay? And like and subscribe so you don't miss any, because I got a lot more up there under speakers. And we'll see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.